What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to replace these two pod lights with these guys. This is a video sponsored by Zmoon. These are the lights from Amazon. They are 240 watts, 24,000 lumens LED fog light. These are 12 inches and runs about $28. They sent me this to try it out, so I'm gonna give it a shot. If you guys don't know, these two pod lights right here, I bought it from I bought it on Craigslist, and they're not as strong as these guys. These two right here are branded by Nightlight on Amazon, and these two guys are actually really bright, but I noticed that these two guys here are really strong. So it was a good time when these guys, Zmoon, they contacted me. They said they want to send me this product to do a little test and review, so I'm gonna do that. And basically what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be removing this guy and we're gonna be slapping this guy in here. As far as wiring, we're just gonna tap these into the one that's running these two guys, and everything should work fine because the wattage should be similar. I shouldn't be blowing up any fuse. So that's what we're doing today. Pretty simple. The two lights, let's talk about the lights. These lights are really nice. Looks really durable, and they come with the mounts, but it does not include the wiring harness. So if you need a wiring harness, you definitely will have to buy it. But the mount is pretty simple. This is your base plate, and then this is your mount where you can adjust the angle. So we're gonna get right to it. First thing we'll do, remove these two guys. Quick test on one of the lights, and I can tell you guys right now it is super bright. It's this guy here. So we have it mounted this one, and we're gonna remove this guy here. But man, it's already bright. My eyes is burning. It's not bad at all. There's a little bit of heat, but not too much. Here's the final results of the installation. This is the farthest angle it'll go upright. I actually want it more this way, but we'll see how that looks like at night. It's super bright just from the way it looks right now. So we will have to wait till nighttime and see how bright it is. Looks really nice though. Goes with the bumper. It's currently not quite dark outside right now, but I'm just gonna show you guys what the lights look like. This is the lights. It's pretty bright, you can't really see it. If I stare at it too long, my eye starts to hurt, so give you a general idea. I like it. The front paw lights, along with the new ones I just added, it makes this very nice long angle, so it looks really good. It looks like it's one combined light now, so really plays with it. It's super bright, to be honest. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys like this product, I'll leave a link in my bio on the video description. You guys can check out this product and see if you guys like it, and maybe you guys want this for your rig. Subscribe to the channel and follow the Instagram page NuttyNu_4x4 for more updates.